Throughout the buildings at the University of Maryland, Baltimore, the sound of gloves and spray bottles
At the pump, so you can't pump no more.
are replacing the voices of faculty, staff, and students that roamed these halls before COVID-19. Except for the voices of environmental service technicians like Sierra Tyler.
So I'm talking to myself and I'm like, I'm echoing, it's quiet, I'm not used to that.
Solitary cleaning certainly does not mean slow cleaning. EVS technicians are busy staying on top of enhanced procedures to keep high-touch surfaces like restrooms and common areas.
Make sure you get the seats and the handles.
Technicians are being deployed to every building on campus to focus on those areas that see a lot of hands.
High touch points would include things like common areas, hallways, elevator lobbies, elevator cabs, elevator buttons, stairwell railings, door handles, doorknobs, push plates on doors, push bars on doors.
Restrooms are now cleaned twice daily. Staff are also dedicated to high-touch cleaning in every building all day.
We're able to get things that we might not have been able to sanitize because certain people can't be around chemicals, or it's just a high-touch area that someone is always in.
A new EPA-registered disinfectant chemical with a 10-minute dwell time is being applied to those surfaces using a new pump bottle, making life easier for the technicians while giving a deeper clean.
This makes it easier, a lot easier.
With all types of surfaces to clean, staff are taking steps to reduce the chance of cross-contamination through the use of color-coded microfiber rags.
The color-coded microfiber helps them just grab the correct color for the task at hand.
We use these for the urinals and the toilets. These are for the sinks and like the handles, and maybe a little bit of high-touch areas that's in the bathroom that you don't use.
As some of the UMB community returns to campus, physical distancing and hygiene are being emphasized. Visitors should look for signage displaying capacity and directions. And access to stalls and sinks and restrooms might be limited.
There is a lot of signage that people are going to notice when they come back on campus.
Shared personal responsibility is key to keeping everyone healthy. Washing your hands and wearing a mask are two simple ways to do your part.
We all have a part in this. We all have a part in cleaning, disinfecting, hand washing, wearing our face coverings.
UMB is the second home to many, and technicians like Sierra want UMB to feel as clean and as safe as your own home.
At the end of the day, when I leave here, if I didn't clean here well, I'm taking germs from here home. So I have to do my job here in order to keep home safe, and that's the #1 priority. Where you work at needs to be safe in order for home to be safe, especially during times like this.